Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own DIY version of a Lush massage bar. So to make our massage bar, we're going to add our cocoa butter and our shea butter together into our double boiler, along with some of our jojoba oil, along with our fragrance oils. Most of the moisturising benefits of this bar are going to come from the shea butter and the cocoa butter. And then we're going to be adding 5 drops each of our fragrance oils as well. So let's get started.